Hello everybody. Today we are going to start standard 7's chapter number 5 articles and determiners. Determiners are the words that are used before a noun to determine or indicate whether something is specific or particular is being referred to. For example, these kittens, my friends, any book, a man. Okay, so these my, any, and a are determiners. Okay, read the following groups of words. A number, spacious room. B number, that room. The word spacious describes the room. It is an adjective. The word that does not describe the noun but specifies the room. It points to a particular room. Okay, it is a determiner. An adjective describes a noun and tells about some spatial quality or how many. A determiner points at a noun and tells which one. It is evident from these examples that determiners can be of many types. For example, articles a and the, demonstrative, possessive, and so on. Okay, so types of determiners: articles, demonstrative, possessives, interrogatives, distributives. Quantifiers. Now let's check out the features of determiners. Determiners come before nouns and point them out. They can be articles, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, distributive, and interrogatives. Now let's check out articles. Let us discuss the use of articles in detail. There are three types of articles, namely a, and a, and the. Okay, a, an, and the. Okay, as we already know that a and n are called indefinite article. A and n are called indefinite articles, while the is called the definite article. Okay, the is known as definite article. These articles are used as determiners. Okay, these articles are used as determiners. Next, article a is used before singular countable nouns which begins with the consonant sound. Okay, when article a is used before singular countable nouns which begins with the consonant sound. For example, a river, a book, a joke. Okay, article a is also used to show a kind, class, or species. For example, a deer is a gentle animal. Right? Now, sometimes article a is used to show rank, profession, or community. Okay, for example, a nurse, a teacher, a Christian. Okay, Yes, on a page number 41, article n is used. Article n is used before singular countable nouns which begins with a vowel sound. Okay, for example, an umbrella, an egg, an ostrich. Okay, like this. Dear students, articles, the use of articles you already learnt in your other classes, right? In lower classes you have already learnt about the articles, right? Some words begins with a consonant when written but begins with a vowel sound when spoken. We use n before words which begins with a vowel sound. For example, an honest man. Edge of the word honest is silent here. Okay, the word begins with a vowel sound, right? H. Similarly, we write an before words like our, HOUR, our, and honorable. Okay, for example, an hour, an Irish, an honorable man, an honorary member, an honorary member, an heir, an honest girl, right? Some words begins with vowels when written but begins with consonant sound when spoken. If a word begins with a vowel but with a consonant sound, we use a before it. Okay, then for example, a European lady, U sound, right? A 1 rupee note, w sound, right? W sound, w. Then a university, so U sound. A unit, a union, U sound, right? So if certain abbreviatives begins with a vowel sound, though they have consonants at the beginning, we write an before them. For example, NMP, NMP. The consonant M is pronounced as MEM and thus begins with a vowel sound, NMA, NMLA, right? Okay, next, the article a is often used with particular phrases. For examples, a noise, a headache, a stomachache, a pity, in a hurry, in a loud voice, a pleasure, a pain, a nuisance, right? Now, exercise number A. Exercise number A. Tick the correct options to complete the sentences. First one, he will return in an hour. N, answer is N. Okay. Second number, a lion is the most ferocious and of all animals. Ferocious animal of all animals. So answer is A. Third number, she is in a hurry. Okay, in, answer is in. Fourth number, he was waiting for an opportunity to start his own business. So answer is N. Okay, answer is N. Next one, 5 number, his son has graduated an engineer. His son has graduated as an engineer. Okay, N, And 6 number, Girish wants to become an actor. Answer is an. Okay. Use the article. Use of article the. We use article the when we refer to a particular person or thing. For example, I saw the house which you had described. So the, right, the house refers to the particular house that was described. And B number, I saw the lady who is your neighbor. So the particular lady who is a neighbor is referred to, right, with a common name when it represents the whole class. Okay, now page number 42. Let's check out page number 42. For example, the peacock is the national bird of India, right? The peacock is the national bird of India. So with nouns which are names of unique things. For examples, the earth, the sun, the sky, the moon. With superlatives also we are using the, dear students, we are using the. Okay, for examples, the tallest building, the hottest planet, the youngest singer, the oldest man, the greatest star, the lowest point, right? So with words like first, third, last, next, only, same. For example, the first row, the third boy, the next room, the same book, right? So with the name of rivers, seas and oceans. For examples, the Brahmaputra, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea, the Himalayas, the Nilgiri Hills, right? So with them also we are using the. Now with mountains, with mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas, the the Nilgiris Hills, the Nilgiri Hills. Next, with train, ships, aeroplanes, the Shatabdi Express, the British Airways. With holy books and scriptures, the Quran, the Upanishads, the Vedas. Okay, with newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindustan Time. Okay, with historian monuments and well-known buildings, the Red Fort, the Gokhud Golconda Fort. Next, with the directions, the east, the west. Okay, then the whole family, the Mehtas, the Guptas. With countries, if the name contains common nouns like states, kingdom, the United States, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, right? Now yeah, before an adjective when it represents a class. For example, the rich, the underprivileged, before a noun to show a unit of measurement. For examples, certain cloth is sold by the meter. B number, milk is sold by the liter. And C number, eggs are sold by the dozen. Okay, by the dozen. Next, before adjectives in the comparative degree. For example, the older he grew, the wiser he become. The older he grew, the wiser he became. Okay, next, article the is also used to with certain groups of words in the morning, in the afternoon, to play the guitar. On the other hand, on the other hand, on the other hand, on the one hand, on the move. Okay, now exercise number B, filling the blanks with a, an, or the wherever required. So first one, she visited the Safdarajung tomb last month. B number answer, first number answer is the. Second number, he always speaks the truth. Answer is the. Okay. Third number, we should always help the needy. Answer is the. Then next, fourth number, Rita found a 1 rupee coin. And 5 number, he saw the boy she was talking about. Okay, now page number 43. We came on the page number 43, everyone. Six number, I always like to read about sports in the Times of India. 7 number, he saw a European, a German, and an Indian discussing something important. 8 number, we boarded the Lucknow mail at night. So answer is the. 9 number, the peacock is a beautiful bird. And 10 number, my father is an honorary member of the managing committee. Now C number, filling the blanks with the everywhere necessary, and whenever it is not required, put cross. So first number, there is no need to do, so put cross. Second number, Barack Obama is the president of the United States of America. So answer is the. Okay. Third one, put cross. Fourth number, the blue car won the race. Okay. Fifth number, the Statue of Liberty was a gift to America from France. Sixth number, he is the youngest of the three. 7 number, the New York Times is an American newspaper. And 8 number, the renowned singer Lata Mangeshkar is coming to our town. Okay, so answer is the. Now repetition of the. Read the two sentences. First one, the singer and the lyricist were present on the occasion. B number, the singer and lyricist was present on the occasion. The first sentence were, where the has been used twice because of the two different persons. One is a singer and the other is lyricist. The second sentence suggests the same person who is both a singer and lyricist. Omission of articles. Omission of articles means we have to cancel the article. Why? All these things has been described over here. Before the names of substances and abstract nouns used in a general sense. For example, sugar is sweet. B number, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Second number, before most proper nouns such as names of people, names of condition, contents, continents, countries, cities, etc. For example, India is densely populated. B number, China has progressed well. Third number, before names of the meals used a general sense. For example, A number, dinner has been served. B number, breakfast is ready. 4 number, before languages, English, French. For example, Miss Sen, Miss Sen, Miss Sen, teacher. Miss Sen teaches English. Before names of relations, father, mother, brother, uncle. For example, father has gone to play golf. 6 number, when a noun is used in a general sense. For example, cotton is a natural fiber. Cotton is a natural fiber. Now page number 44. 7 number, with plural nouns when they denotes a class. Children has impossible mind. Children have impressionable minds. Again, children have impressionable minds. 8 number, with names of days, months and seasons. Monday is the first working day of the week. Monday is the first working day of the week. 9 number, in notices, headlines, emails, messages, chief minister meets delegates from China. The chief minister has met the delegates from China. So here we come to know that how the articles has been right? Omission, right? Omission of the articles. Next, exceptionals. Some uncountable nouns take the when used in a particular sense. For examples, where did you keep the sugar I bought yesterday? The speaker is asking about the particular sugar bought the day before, hence the is used before sugar, right? Now B number, the beauty of Cinderella attracted the prince. Here the sentence talks about the beauty of Cinderella in a particular, hence the is used before beauty, right? Proper nouns can be used with article the if we want to attach a special meaning to them. For example, Rajnikant is the Amitabh Bachchan. Rajnikant is the Amitabh Bachchan of the southern film industry. Rajnikant is the Amitabh Bachchan of the southern film industry, right? Hence, Amitabh Bachchan stands for an actor who is very popular, right? A or an is used when an adjective is used before breakfast, lunch, dinner. For example, Jyoti had an early supper, so she feels hungry, right? The is used when we specify. Now, example, the dinner we had at your place was delicious. Now, article the is never used when with the following phrases. Okay, so article the is cannot be used for the following phrases. To make use of, okay, to make use of from head to foot by chance, to be at fault, to take to heart, to take part in, to lose heart, to pay attention to take interest in, on foot, day by day, by mistake, at home, by car, by hand. Okay, so this phrase we cannot use the article. Okay, next, D number exercise. Use appropriate articles whenever necessary, put cross whenever they are not required. Okay, so first one, it took almost an hour for use to reach home. Okay, so n. Second number, it was taught, you have to put cancel in first, French by a French lady. Okay, third number you have to put cross, fourth number also you have to put cross, five number, on my way I meet a European and an American. Okay, six number, put cross in a first, patience is a virtue. Okay, patience is a virtue. Okay, so six number, second one we have to put a. Okay, then seven number cross, eight number cross, nine number, say the nine number. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. So the sun rises in the east. Then 10 number, the draw a map of India. So there is no need to put in a second time the or anything. So cut, put cross. So here page number 44 is over. Now page number 45. 11 number, Tagore is the only Indian to have won the Nobel Prize in Literature. So put the in both. 12 number, John was selected as the best performer of the year. 13 number, teacher taught us the fourth chapter today. 14 number, the beauty of the girl fascinated everyone. Okay, then 15 number, New Delhi is a very costly place to live in. Okay, now F number, filling the blanks with the appropriate articles wherever required. So in the first there is no need, so put cross. Second number, the moon was shining brightly. Third number, there was a star in the sky yesterday. Fourth number, Andaman and Nicobar Island is a union territory. Okay, so answer is A. Fifth number, the movie we saw last week was interesting. So answer is the. Sixth number, my father gave me a book to read. 7 number, the intelligence of the princess made everyone speechless. And 8 number, I regularly read the Times of India. Okay, so here let's check out demonstratives. Okay, so demonstratives are the words like this, that, these, and those, which point out to persons or object close by or at a distance. For example, this chair is not polished well, right? Then B number, that hill has big rocks and a waterfall. So exercise number F, tick the correct demonstrative to complete the sentences. First one, this book belongs to Jan. This. Okay. Second number, my school is beside that park. Okay, answer is that. Third number, the exhibition of my paintings will be held at that hall. Okay, answer is that hall. Then fourth number, I am going to back to London this weekend. 7 number, that pencil box is mine. 6 number, these books on the table belongs to the teacher. 7 number, those stars are actually millions of miles away. And 8 number, these documents, he will take these documents with him. Okay, now possessive. Possessives are possessive adjectives that shows someone's possession, such as mine, my, her, his, its, their, and our. They are also used as determiners. For examples, my book, his water bottle, her bag. G number, tick the correct possessive adjectives to complete the sentences. First, the dog became angry when it lost its bone. Okay, its. Then second number, Ramesh spoke about his new school. Third number, we are happy because our team has won. Fourth number, we should increase our knowledge through reading. Okay. Then 46 number, page number 46. Page number 46. 5 number, my sister is at home. 6 number, I called up my doctor to seek an appointment. 7 number, I left my book at your place. Please return it tomorrow. And 8 number, visitors should park their cars in the parking zone of the stadium. Okay. Now, quantifiers. Quantifiers are those determiners that tells us something about member or quantity. Such words as much, many, a few, most, cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, and none are example of quantifiers. Okay, so use of quantifiers are as followed. Many and several suggest number, and these quantifiers are used with countable nouns. For example, many pens, several trees. Second number, much and little suggest quantity, and these are used with uncountable nouns. For examples, much happiness, a little tired. Third number, some and any suggest both quantity and number. These are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Some is generally used in affirmative sentences, and any is normally used in negative sentences. Okay. Examples, some advice, some books, any shirt, any idea. These are some rice in the pan. There is some rice in the pan, but there isn't any curry, right? Both some and any can be used in interrogative sentences. If we expect yes as an answer, we use both some and any. We use some. Okay, we use some. If expect no as an answer, we normally use any. Okay, if we want answer yes, then we can use some. Okay, then if we want no answer, then we can use any. Okay, any can also mean any can also mean that it does not matter which one, when or whom. Okay, for example, he will reach here any time today, so any, right? Okay, then for number, a few suggests quantity and is used with countable nouns. For example, only a few children continued to play when it started to rain. Only a few children continued to play when it started to rain, right? Okay, now H number, exercise number H. Exercise number H, filling the blanks by using suitable quantifiers from the list: many, several, much, little, some, any, a few, or two. Okay, so first one, I did not have any problem in locating your residence. Second number, the shop is giving discount on several cotton items. Third number, many people congratulated me for my win. Fourth number, after much hard work, Ram managed to excel in his exam. Fifth number, only a few people attended the meeting. Sixth number, some experiences is required for the job. Seven number, there were little support for the strike. And eight number, two girls of my school have reached the final in the inter-school dance competition. Now distributives. Okay, now we came on distributives are those determiners that show distribution. They include words like either, neither, each, and every. Their uses are as followed. First number, each. It is used with a singular verb when a limited number of persons or things are considered. Page number 47, and it's last page of our chapter. Okay, individually, with emphasis on the individuals. For example, each player of the Indian team played his best. Second number, every. It is used with a singular verb when a large number of persons or things are considered individually. For example, every student must bring his textbooks tomorrow. Third number, either. It is used with a singular verb meaning any one of the two or each of the two. For example, A, you can take either of the books, any of the two books. Okay, then B number, high raised buildings being built on either side of the highways. So on both the sides. Okay, then 4 number, neither. It is used with a singular verb meaning not one or the other. For example, neither book explains the topic in detail. Okay, so now I number, exercise number I, tick the correct options to complete the sentences. First one, they are giving discount on every item. Okay, answer is every. Second number, she she does not listen to either of her parents. Third number, you can buy either dress since both will look equally good on you. Fourth number, neither dress fits you. 5 number, every bedroom of the house has a bedroom attached to it. 6 number, each player of the winning team would be awarded. 7 number, neither Liberty has French books. 8 number, the teacher spoke to each children of the class regarding the issue. Now interrogatives, determiners that help ask questions are what, whose, which, how much, how many. They are called interrogatives. Okay, interrogatives for asking questions. Whatever we are using, like what, whose, which, how much, how many. Okay, these are known as interrogatives. J number, filling the blanks with the suitable interrogatives. Okay, which gatives? Interrogatives. First one, which book is more interesting? Second number, how much did you pay for the bag? Third number, what do you do during your break time? Fourth number, how many balloons do you require for the party? 5 number, whose bag is lying on the table? 6 number, how much money do you want? 7 number, how many glasses do we need? And 8 number, whose car is parked at the gate? Okay, now key number, last number of our chapter, last numbers exercise of our chapter. Pick the correct determiners in the same sentences. First one, the lady in a white sari is my grandmother. Second number, each student of the class was given a storybook. Third number, did you face any problem while coming here? Fourth number, several books of the class several books of the class 5 are written by my uncle. 5 number, whose pencil box is lying on the table? 5 number, 6 number, 5 boys of our class are participating in the competition. 7 number, many invitees are attending the function. And 8 number, last number but not the least, a beggar stood at my doorstep seeking alms. So dear students, here we have completed our chapter. All this exercise you just write it down in the notebook. Whichever place has been given, that you can write it down in your textbook only, and wherever the place has not been given, that exercise only, dear students, that exercise only you have to write down in the notebook. Rest of the things you can write it down in the textbook only. Okay, so as our syllabus is very long, we are on a YouTube, we will do some chapters on a YouTube, and rest of the things we will try to cover it during the class time. But as the syllabus is lengthy, we are doing some chapters on the YouTube. Okay, so dear students, you just write it down, all the exercise of it. I hope you get all these answers and all the doubts should be clear. So dear students, here you have to complete all the exercise. I have completed all the exercise with the answers. You have to also complete all the exercise in your textbook as well as notebook. Okay, wherever the place has been given, that you can write it down in the textbook only. Whichever are not given place, that you can write it down in the notebook. Okay, thank you, have a good day everyone, bye bye.